friends, welcome. Hello friends, welcome to our channel Education. So today we are going to learn all the
8 planets.
Yeah. So let's start.
So now let us draw and learn more nicely.
So this is our sun, which is the center of the solar system.
Okay, so this is our sun. So now let us know about our first planet.
Our first planet is Mercury. Our first planet is Mercury. So it is the hottest planet. Mercury is very hot because it is beyond the sun. Before the sun only. It is the first planet.
It is the first planet, so it is very hottest compared to the other planets.
Our second planet is Venus. Our second planet is Venus. This is also very hot. There is a rain of lava or we can tell acid. So
Venus is the second planet. Now this Mercury is very hot and the second planet is Venus. So Venus is also too hot compared to the other planets, and the Venus have the rain of acids.
all the lava.
Okay, so now in the day we have 24 hours, but Venus has only 6 hours. Okay.
Our next planet is which is Earth, where we are living.
Earth.
It is very warm. It is not hottest, not coldest. It is warm, where the survival of humans can be
Done.
done. Yeah.
So then our next planet, which is Mars.
Mars. Mars is not also too hot or too cold.
So now I will give you an example. Like now, if you see from our Earth to the sky, you will see everything that is blue.
Blue.
The sky color is blue. So now when you see from the Mars to the sky, then you will see all red or orange. So because of the climatic measures, you can see like that.
Okay, I'll give you a point which is when the humans thought to go in the space. So first they didn't went. They sent a dog. They didn't went first up like asteroids, not asteroids like nowadays they go. First they left a dog to space to research. First they didn't went.
So now this is our Mars. Now after the Mars, the next planet which we know as Jupiter.
Jupiter, where in between the Mars and Jupiter there are lots of asteroids and meteoroids.
So now in our solar system, you know there are four rocky planets and four gas planets.
You know
So
that
now-
Jupiter, we can't move there. It is full made up of gases.
So now you know that Mars, Venus, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are all rocky planets. Means
full of rock.
they have the surface so that we can put our leg or you can stand it. But you know the Jupiter. Jupiter is the gas giant.
You know
It
the
is not-
pollution,
Yes.
which is in our Earth. That is full of pollution. It is made up of that.
Full that means you cannot put any leg also. That is full gaseous form. And our next gas
And a Jupiter is
and our
1
next,
crore times bigger than our globe. It's very big than the globe. If there are crores of globes, it becomes one Jupiter or not that also. And next is Saturn.
Saturn.
Next is a Saturn.
So now you know that the Mars, between the Mars and Jupiter, there is much of asteroids and meteoroids, because this all four planets are of rocky and the other more is of gas giants.
We can give an example that there is a line between the both, which is rocky and which is gas.
Yes, gaseous. The gas giants.
That line makes asteroids and meteoroids.
So
So let's draw our next planet. Our next planet is Uranus. Our next planet is Uranus.
Now you all know about Uranus. It is too far than the sun. So first, in the before time, the scientists know only till the planets of Saturn. Then we go to the stethoscope, we got to know that there is one more planet in a solar system which is
Very
Uranus,
cold, which is -100.
which is in the minus Celsius form, because this sunlight is rarely available. It is not available at all. You can see that
This is the sun and
full
it is
snow.
too far than the Uranus.
It is too far and it is too long to travel. And our next planet is Neptune.
Which is the last planet.
So after Uranus, we all were in the schools. We were taught that there were only 7 planets. But after when the technology was advanced and advanced, so we got to know about the another planet which is Neptune. So the next longest planet, last planet is Neptune. So after Neptune, we got another planet which is Pluto, but it is considered as a dwarf planet.
It is not a planet. It is not considered as a planet.
So what is a dwarf planet and what is Pluto? I have explained in the previous video. So now this is our last planet to be Neptune. So
And after this whole solar system, there is full of asteroids and meteoroids, which binds all asteroids and meteoroids, all solar system.
after the asteroids and meteoroids, the sun's gravity cannot reach there, and there is no planet available there. So then we can consider our last planet as to be Neptune.
And there are so many moons in our world, in our universe. Sorry. So please.
So for this video, I have explained for 8 planets in our solar system, and now in the upcoming video, I'll come with more information.
Which will be very interesting to you. So please watch our video from first to end. If you like this video, please like, subscribe our channel Education, and also click on the
Bell icon to get notifications every time.
mobile every day. So bye bye.
Bye bye. Be safe from coronavirus. Please wash your hands every day.